How to adjust video to network condition on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to adjust videos to network condition on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now all you need to do is click on media and you have manage your videos quality. The first option, which is optimized, you have adjust video to network condition. You can turn off or on this option, or you can click on instead of this option, click on data saver to use up to 40% less data by reducing video quality, and choose one of them. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.